Even when me roof leak and my plate bare, me still have to give thanks, you see. For every night, Jah promise a new light, and the sun comes out again. Me walk through fire, me crawl through storm. Empty pocket, broken heart, we reform. She says she love me, but she gone pon the wind. My dreams crash down like old tin. But me looking at the mirror and me see the spark of Jah shining deep inside me. Me no dead I'm perfect, but me still rise with the spirit of Zion behind my eyes. And the sun comes out again after the pain, after the rain. Even when the tears fall like flame, me still call out your name. And the sun comes out again. Economic pressure, can't buy rice. Landlord knocking, cut off my light. But me still there, chest up bold. Cause blessings greater than silver and gold. Failures a teaching, betrayals a tool. Them broke me heart, but me no broke the rule. My faith no bend, it build like stone. My spirit powered, me no walk alone. Oh, Jah light my way, even in the darkness, me pray. My soul can't drown in this tide. Cause hope are the anchor we hide inside. And the sun comes out again after the pain, after the rain. Even when my tears fall like flame, me still call out your name. And the sun comes out again. You have to believe in the you that Jah create. Me no care what Babylon say, you're great. You are the temple, the vessel, the flame, the chosen voice that cry out his name. Shine again, shine again. Rise my people, light we bring. Truth of fire, burn the change. So when despair knock on my gate, my answer with faith, my answer with faith. Cause every dark pass, every chain break when the sun comes out again.